Hello everyone, and welcome back to Meet the Penis. I'm Dr. Alfie, and today we're diving into the topic of malleable penile implants. This question actually came in from a commenter and wanted to know if you're considering penile implants for ED, you might be wondering which option is best for you, inflatable or malleable. Well, this video is going to be dedicated just to the malleable implant. I'll be guiding you through the benefits of them and why they might be the right choice for you, because not every shoe fits the same. Now, malleable implants, also known as semi-rigid implants, consist of bendable rods, just like these, that are surgically inserted into the penis. Unlike inflatable implants, though, the malleable do not require a pump or a reservoir like the others. They stay firm but flexible, allowing you to manually adjust the position of your penis as needed. Whether you need it erect for sexual activity or bend it down for daily wear, it's as easy as bending it into place. So why choose a malleable implant over an inflatable one? Well, let's break down some key benefits of the malleable and see why. Number one is simplicity and reliability. Malleable implants are simple in design, fewer components. This means that there's less that can go wrong mechanically, making them a more reliable option over time, and no need to worry about pumps or fluid reservoirs failing. Ease of use. For some patients, dexterity can be a challenge. Malleable implants are user-friendly, requiring no pumping or complex maneuver or rehab. You just bend it up when you need it, and you put it down when you're done. It's that straightforward. Lower maintenance. Now, malleable implants, there's no need for any adjustments or maintenance or cycling. They provide a straightforward, hassle-free solution for those who prefer a low-maintenance option. Now, they are cost effective. Malleable implants tend to be less expensive than your penile implant, your inflatable. But if budget is a consideration, this might be an attractive benefit. And they really are ideal for certain health conditions such as men with dexterity issues, nerve issues, limited hand strength, etc. Now, there are three major companies that produce high-quality malleable implants. We have Coloplast, we have Boston Scientific, and we have Rigicon. Now, Coloplast offers implants known for their reliability and durability. They provide a consistent and robust option for those seeking a tried-and-true solution. Boston Scientific is also another leader in the field, offering devices that balance flexibility with ease of use and catering to a wide range of patient needs. Now, Rigicon is a new player, but has quickly made a name with innovative designs that focus on patient comfort and satisfaction. Now, each of these companies brings something unique to the table, so you have choices that can be tailored to your specific preferences and lifestyle. So is a malleable implant the right choice for you? If you're looking for a reliable, easy to use, and low maintenance solution, this type of implant could be the perfect fit. It's especially beneficial for men who prefer a straightforward approach without the extra steps of inflating and deflating or any complex rehabs. Now, remember, the most important decision is the one that fits your life and the needs. If you truly have more questions, want to discuss which implant might be best for you, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Preto Urology. We're here to help and guide you every step of the way. Now, I'd like to thank you for watching today's episode of Meet the Penis. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all those fun things. I'm Dr. Alfie, and I'll see you next time.